Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around this absolutely wonderful 66 plated Peugeot 208 GT line. Now this is a 5-door car and she's powered by the 3-cylinder 1.2 engine but capable of over 65 miles to the gallon, and the 3-cylinder engine's 110 brake horsepower. So when we consider the current climate and the fuel efficiency crisis that seems to be taking the centre stage in the news, these are the types of car which really we all should be buying. Now this is a GT line, so you've got a fantastic specification on this vehicle which we're going to take a look around in a minute. However, lovely low mileage of 45 and a very well serviced and maintained car in lovely order. So let's have a look at it now. So the car's finished in the polar white paintwork. We've got the newer style headlamps. What I do like on this GT is that front grille there with the red detail in there. Now the car sits on some very nice bi-colour 17-inch alloys with the red detail on again. So the GT line has the red detail on the exterior, so on the grille we've got little red blades on the alloy wheels. Then on the badge itself on the wing, the GT there is all there. So GTI being the big brother, the bigger horsepower 1.6 turbo engine. Very similar, so they've taken cues from that. So the wheels, the front spoilers, the black mirror caps, the privacy glass, but a very nice car indeed. The black mirror caps are all in super condition and they have an indicator in there also. But taking a look down the side of the car, it's really well cherished and maintained. You can tell the person has parked away from every other car in this. Not very many, or if none at all, marks or anything. We've gone round with a little pencil and touched any little marks in just to make that vehicle as good as we possibly can. We get the slightly more sporty rear bumper, and then we get the chrome tailpipe as well, just to add to that sportiness. GT line badge on the tailgate. The boot is a very nice size boot for a small car. You'd be capable of putting any prams, shopping, anything you would require in there. Then underneath the boot floor we've got this full size spare wheel. That doesn't look like it's ever been on. Michelin tyre on there, full jack set. But a very well cared for and looked after car. Taking a look down the driver's side also, you can see that the car is mirrored at the passenger side and is free from really any parking dents. All alloy wheels are in lovely order and have sat on fantastic tyres all the way around. We got 2 keys with this car. We've also got the full book pack, and we've also got a file that the customer has put all the receipts and etc. that they have used or paid for. Privacy glass in the rear. But this is where, for a small car, you're going to be very well impressed. So opening the door, we're welcomed with this lovely interior. We've got the gloss black detail with the red pinstripe, which then goes onto the contrast stitch. Peugeot chrome aluminium welcome plates there on the sills. Nice set of Peugeot tailored floor mats, aluminium pedal set. But then the interior in this I'm very impressed with. I do like, for a small car, that lovely bolstered seat. It is very comfy, very supportive. And then we get the new style steering wheel on the Peugeot's range now, so it's a smaller steering wheel but it allows us to look out of the dashboard with ease. And then the configuration of the carbon fibre style detail on the dashboard just adds to the quality of this vehicle. Stereo system, as you can hear, is really good. Turn that down. Now, as I'm doing the video, you can see that the mileage is 45,041 miles. Touchscreen, so we've got the full, I'll demonstrate that to you. So you've got radio and media. Just press the menu button again with settings. You can go through, everything's there. Connected drive. Now mirror link, Apple Carplay. Once you've connected your smartphone, whatever's on your smartphone will appear on there. So you'll have your Google Maps, I do believe, etc. So if you've got sat nav, this screen is capable of taking all of that. And then your fuel efficiency is all there. So that gives you an idea. So over the last 6,214 miles, the average speed's 24 miles an hour and it's been doing 47 miles to the gallon. Same again. So you can reset all of that just by doing that. Press the reset and then you can monitor your fuel efficiency. Speed settings, we've got different speed settings there, so you're not breaking the law in any way. Coming down with them, we've got climate control and air conditioning. It's a 5-speed gearbox. And then we've got cruise control, we've got automatic wipers, we've got automatic headlamps, auto dimming mirror. The red detail and contrast stitch runs throughout the vehicle. I'd have to say I don't think there's a nicer interior in a small car than this. Like that Bentley stitch on their cars isn't as nice as that. And this is in a family hatchback. All the books are there. And then, as I said, this file is the customer's documentation of everything that he's ever had done on the vehicle. So it gives you an idea of the type of person. Majority of the car's service history, I think the first 5 stamps are all at the Peugeot main dealer, and then all at the VAT registered garage then, with everything that he's had done. So very, very nicely finished off. Tailored floor mats, 2 keys, book pack, all stamped up. I don't know what more you'd want from a nice 5-door sporty car. Parking sensors as well. On the rear, yeah, having a look in the rear of the car, that is as good as the front. The seats are all in exceptional condition. Isofix as well, if you do have a younger child that needs the Isofix bases. Rear headrests, tailored mats again in the back. That's nice, isn't it? The red line runs down the seat belt as well. A very, very nice interior, if you don't mind me saying so. That is a lovely, lovely car. 5 doors. You never have to get out the front seat to get people in the back. Loads of headroom. Fuel efficient. And listen this, free road tax. Yes, you will not pay any road tax while you own this car. How about that? Just saved you £165 a year on a standard road taxing car. What more do you want? So we've got 66 plate, we've got 5 doors, we've got 45,000 miles, we've got 2 keys, we've got a full book pack, we've got bills and receipts for the vehicle to show that it's been maintained to the highest of standards over its life. It's all HPI clear. What a car. If you have any interest in it, give us a call here in Wigan. I'm Graham, we've got Dominic and also Lee. We can take a £250 fully refundable reservation deposit on this. If when you get to Wigan, it's not for you, we'll refund that deposit back to you, but it allows you only to have to come once for our click and collect. So we'll get the car ready, we'll have it ready for you on a Saturday, or whatever day you choose, and yeah, have a look on Facebook, because that's where you'll see lots of customers like you, who are from the bottom of the country, doing exactly what you've done, or doing, reserving the car, it's been prepared to the highest of standards, and then we'll take care of everything else when you arrive in Wigan. Wonderful. If you've got a part exchange, give us a call, we'll give you a price. If you need finance, our calculators on the website, but we can give you a quote over the phone as well. We make buying a used car the most pleasurable experience you possibly have, and we've been doing it now for over 40 years at this Alpha Motors, our family owned and run business. So, as for now, if you have any more questions, give us a call, 01942 231 123. But thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to your inquiry.